Monday meal is tacos. You could definitely use it for Taco Tuesday. In fact, this is an allrecipes.com taco recipe. My mom saw it on their YouTube channel, which she found as well. And this one is sheet pan tacos. So you make them on a sheet pan, and you mix up the meat, and the meat's raw when you mix it up. So you do have to thaw it out, but you don't have to cook it first. So it's very interesting, and these turned out delicious. We ate them all. There are none left. They were eaten all the first time. All of them. So we recommend this recipe. Obviously, you can use it for Taco Tuesday. But if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Happy Monday, everybody. As Yoda said, we're making the easiest sheet pan tacos. This recipe is coming from allrecipes.com. I'll put a link in the description box below. You want to heat your oven to 425. And we mixed up, this is venison we're using, ground venison. You use a pound of that. You thaw it out, but you do not heat it up, like you don't brown it. So we took that in a bowl, and then we added to it 4 ounces of chopped green chilies, 1/4 of a cup of onion, minced diced onion, teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 a teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then we use Redmond's real salt, but a teaspoon of salt. And then you mix that all together in the bowl. And you take 10 corn tortillas, but I actually used 12 because it just made more sense. And that's the amount of meat I had to go in it. So if you want to, it's optional to put refried beans down one side and the meat down the other in the taco, and then you sprinkle it all with cheddar. I am using Violife because it's vegan and dairy-free. Sprayed the pan after putting foil on it with olive oil, and then once we fold the tacos over, we're going to spray the tops of them with olive oil as well. And then put in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes, flipping them halfway through. All right, so it's been 15 minutes. I have turned them over. You flip them over, and then I'm gonna put them back in there for another 15 minutes. All right, they are done. It's been 30 minutes total, 15 minutes. Flip them, 15 more minutes. They're golden brown, crispy, ready to eat. Happy Monday, but this could also be a good one for Taco Tuesday. And obviously serve it with whatever you want as far as toppings go. Guacamole, salsa, sour cream, whatever you like. Enjoy.